My name is Sergey Fradkov. I'm a CTO and co-founder of Marketplace, Decentralized Marketplace, MDW. Today I'm going to be talking about these marketplaces today, what they are and how they operate, and about their shortcomings. We're going to talk about the wish list of how marketplaces we would like to see them, that we're going to work much better in the future. And as a case, I will be talking about our marketplace, MDW, about how it works and how we're implementing this wish list that people were talking about. So first of all, everybody probably used the marketplace before in your life. You know, they're very popular: eBay, Amazon, Airbnb, many others, Uber. These are marketplaces that connect sellers with purchasers. And usually the way they work is the supplier posts information about their product on the site, on the marketplace site, or in the app. And the purchaser looks for the services or goods and purchases them. And marketplace provides usually the payment service, basically payment from the buyer to the seller. And it also uses ratings, so you can see who is from the sellers is better, more reliable, or more recommended in this sense. So the business model of the marketplace traditionally is there is a company like Uber or Airbnb that establishes the marketplace in the hopes of making profit. They usually raise investment from investors and it starts operating. They spend on marketing to acquire customers and bring them on the platform, and therefore they often very unprofitable, as you know in the case of Uber, for example, where they spend so much money on acquiring customers that they don't make any profit for the investors. But the problem often is that this company operates for their own business advantage. So the owner of the marketplace is looking to make as much money as possible from the marketplace, as opposed to often benefit the participants on the marketplace. So as a result, ratings and other rules of the marketplace are not transparent. You as a buyer do not know often how these ratings came to be. You also don't know as a participant whether you're getting the best deal or worst deal as compared to other sellers on the platform. How do the sellers rank on the platform? Who comes first in the search and so forth? So there is a lot of problems in the marketplace model that actually benefit the company that owns the marketplace, but puts buyers and sellers on the platform at disadvantage, or at least in a non-very transparent situation. And also, participants on the platform do not benefit financially from the operation of the platform. The company that runs the platform does benefit from it, but the users not necessarily. So if we're talking about how marketplaces will evolve, we're talking about Marketplace 2.0, so to speak. And what is the wish list, how we would like this marketplace to operate? So first of all, we want to see the marketplace to be as transparent as possible. We want it to be work with very clear and understandable rules, and also that the people who drive the success of the platform, its participants, actually get the financial benefits from the platform, including being rated, how they really contribute to the platform, and get more money from the success of the platform. So one of the possible implementation of a marketplace like that will be a decentralized marketplace. So essentially, any participant on the platform gets some share in the operating of the platform, and no one company actually controls it. So all the users, suppliers, buyers, investors get a piece, and they own it, and they operate it, and they benefit, all of them, from the success of the marketplace. Also, all the rules that are governing the marketplace are written in a smart contract, and smart contract cannot be changed without the agreement of majority of the users, or whatever the governance of the platform is. And also, all the payments are conducted in a smart contract and recorded in the platform, in the blockchain, so participants can see how all the rules are actually followed and who benefits from what and how this whole thing operates. So we in MDW decided that we're going to use this architecture, and we build our platform on that. And let me tell you just a little bit about what MDW does. MDW is a marketplace that connects diagnostic centers, radiology centers, imaging centers with radiologists, people who actually, doctors who actually look at the scans and determine whether you're sick or not, like x-rays, MRIs, and so forth. So we bring together all the participants in the radiology industry together on this platform, and we also help AI companies that analyze these images and train their algorithms to operate on the platform. So essentially, so understand the radiology industry in the United States where we operate is very fragmented. There are like 35,000 radiologists. There are thousands of imaging centers, and all of them work either together or separate, and it's very, very competitive. The industry is often delays in payment and very non-transparent in terms of how imaging centers pay radiologists. So MDW solution to these issues is to build the platform based on blockchain, completely decentralized, where all the industry participants work together in a collaborative way, in a fully transparent way, where everybody sees what is going on and all the results in written blockchain. We can also implement here things like second opinions very easily, and immediate payments through our own internal cryptocurrency to the radiologists from the centers. So here is the sample how the workflow works. The facility does the scan, uploads it to MDW. Radiologists that are participants in the platform see these scans available to read. They take it, process them, return the report about the image, and get paid right on the spot. Moreover, the images that are currently sitting in imaging facilities, storage systems, PAC system they called, they get to be stored in MDW and offered to AI companies for purchase, helping offset the cost of storage the images that are required for 8 to 10 years, depending on the regulation. And radiologists also can get additional revenue streams by labeling these images and giving them to AI companies as results to train the algorithms again. So basically, MDW derives revenue, the platform, and all its participants, because the platform is tokenized and owners of the platform actually own the tokens in the system. They derive revenue from the fees that we collect from the facilities that found the radiologists and from AI companies that pay to acquire the data. And this money is distributed immediately, in transparent and fully audited way on blockchain directly to the participants. And the more the platform brings business, the more money, first of all, the participants, the token holders get. And on the other hand, it drives up the price of the token. So if you participate in the platform and buy a token, you as a doctor that reads on the platform get a rebate. The more you read, the more money you get. Same, the opposite for the diagnostic centers. The more business you give to the platform, the more discount you get on the reads, reducing the platform fee but increasing the volume. So here in the model, everybody benefits, and that would drive the usage and therefore drive up the price of the token, again benefiting all the participants. We launched last year. Today we're pushing through about 2,500 studies a month. We plan to be profitable early next year. And at the same time, we will conduct the STO and issue the security token to all the investors, and afterwards list it in no exchange. Today we're raising a round that would support this STO. That again, as I said, will happen sometime early next year. And here are contacts. If somebody is interested to learn more, you're welcome, and we can talk about it more at the panel. Thank you very much. You've been a wonderful audience.
Thank you.